Technologies are getting advanced as we get deeper into the 21st century. And what is one thing that's been fueling this advancement without catching much attention in the public eye? The answer is batteries. This energy storage system has been working silently to juice up technologies and automotive industries, holding the keys to a sustainable future. Currently, the lithium-ion batteries are ruling the technological world, but as we approach closer and closer to it, they may not be enough. This is why new battery technologies are emerging to replace lithium-ion batteries and power the future. Just before we dive into some emerging battery technologies, let's first create a knowledge base so we can get to understand each technology's potential and differences. A lithium battery has 4 basic components: a positive electrode, a negative electrode, a separator, and an electrolyte. As a result of chemical reactions inside the battery, lithium ions move back and forth between 2 electrodes, which, in turn, creates electricity. Big technology and car companies are all too aware of the limitations of lithium-ion batteries. This is why the development of new technologies needs to happen. The first and the battery technology that has the best chance of replacing lithium-ion has got to be solid-state batteries. These batteries represent a paradigm shift in terms of technology. Remember the basic components of a battery? An electrode was one of them. In modern lithium-ion batteries, ions move from one electrode to another across the liquid electrolyte. In an all-solid-state battery, the liquid electrolyte is replaced by a solid compound, which, nevertheless, allows lithium ions to migrate within it. This concept is far from new, but over the past 10 years, thanks to intensive worldwide research, it's finally been able to make itself a proper contender for replacing lithium-ion batteries. Toyota shared their development of solid-state batteries recently. In a paper published by Toyota scientists, they talked about their battery that can operate at supercapacitor levels to completely charge or discharge in just 7 minutes, making it ideal for cars. Being a solid-state battery, that also means it's far more stable and safer than current batteries. The solid-state unit should also be able to work in as low as -30 degrees Celsius and up to 100. Then the next technology we have is NANOBOLT lithium-tungsten batteries. Working on the battery anode, which is the negative electrode, materials researchers at N1 Technologies Inc. added tungsten and carbon multi-layered nanotubes. What does that do? The nanotubes bond to the copper anode substrate and build up a web-like nanostructure that forms a huge surface for more ions to attach to during recharge and discharge cycles. This simply means that the addition of nanotube materials increases the battery's ability to charge quickly and hold a charge for much longer. Also, the addition of nanotube materials greatly increases usability across a wide marketplace. As we're talking about batteries, which are the heart of EVs, how can the name of Tesla and Elon Musk's 4680 battery not come up? Tesla's cylindrical 4680 cells are named for their dimensions, 46mm wide by 80mm tall, and are 5 times larger than their predecessors. In addition, the 4680 cells adopt an entirely new tabless design, which has stoked much excitement. The larger cell means more space for active battery materials and less waste for things like casings. The tabless design allows the battery to maintain fast charging rates without degradation. This means a long-term battery. When it comes to the statistics, the 4680 battery claims to improve range by 54%, including 16% from the cell design alone. Tesla claims it halves battery costs as well. Inspired by fuel tanks in airplanes, Tesla also adopted what it calls a structural battery pack. The 4680 battery pack will have a skateboard battery design. This structural pack greatly reduces the number of parts and simplifies manufacturing to save costs. Tesla has given limited public glimpses of the 4680 cells and pack. Musk expects volume production by the end of the third quarter, or Q4. The company is building 4680 batteries in-house and working with Asian companies including LG Energy Solution to scale up production. Another alternative to the lithium-ion battery is a silicon battery. Instead of lithium, silicon, which is made from sand, is used inside this battery. Researchers at the University of California, Riverside are working on this silicon battery. And according to their results, this battery can achieve 3 times better performance than current graphite-based lithium-ion batteries. The battery is still lithium-ion, like the one found in your smartphone, but it uses silicon instead of graphite in the anodes. Scientists suggest that silicon being porous and three-dimensional helps in performance and, potentially, the lifespan of the batteries. Sila Nano is a battery tech startup that's bringing this technique to market and has seen big investment from companies like Daimler and BMW. The company says that its solution can be dropped into existing lithium-ion battery manufacturing with a promise of a 20% battery performance boost now or 40% in the near future. Then we have lithium-sulfur batteries. Inside a lithium-ion battery, the lithium ions are stored in active materials, acting as stable host structures. The lithium-sulfur battery, on the other hand, has no host structures. The most advantageous part of this battery is that it's super light, as the active material of it is very light. This is why its theoretical energy density is extraordinarily high, 4 times greater than that of lithium-ion. This makes it a good fit for the aviation and space industries. Now, here's where things get interesting. What will be the state of electrolytes in the battery? Many battery analysis favored the most promising lithium-sulfur technology based on solid-state electrolytes. This technical path brings a very high energy density and long life, overcoming the main drawbacks of the liquid-based lithium-sulfur. Furthermore, this technology is supplementary to solid-state lithium-ion thanks to its superior gravimetric energy density. So that's the end of our list. Which battery technology are you rooting for? Let us know down below in the comments, and we'll see you in another video. Tech out!